Alright y'all, so if you don't realize, today is the day that I'm going to Orlando and I'm already dressed. I got everything ready. I've been waiting for this day for so long. I'm just super excited I'll be able to be in Orlando for possibly a year to do my Disney college program, and yeah, but it's the morning and I'm already ready. Just getting, doing the last bit of checks and whatnot, but my flight's at like 11:05, so I should get there around 12, and then I'll be heading to SeaWorld a little later today. And yeah, also if you guys notice, I'm using the GoPro as my new vlogging camera because, well, my phone is not very battery life on it. It kind of sucks now, but since I have this GoPro, I'm like, might as well use it as a vlogging camera. So this is gonna be my permanent vlogging camera, so expect to see a lot of content mainly from the GoPro and not from the iPhone. But yeah guys, so I will talk to you guys probably once I get to the airport.
1 hour later.
Alright y'all, so I'm at the airport. I got my breakfast. I got Chick-fil-A and got all my bags. There's my dad right there. But yeah, my flight doesn't it's right now. It just changed. It's Orlando. We board in about an hour. And yeah, here's the view. And yeah, I am super excited. So let's get this very, very long vacation started.
One hour later. One hour later.
Alright y'all, you might be expecting, where am I? Well, I'm at SeaWorld. Yeah, my flight landed less than an hour ago, and I'm at SeaWorld. Planning on meeting Maverick.
Pop Century Resort.
Guardians! 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 Guardians!
And it's gonna hang around the park, and today I get my 200th credit on Penguin Track. So really excited for that today. But yeah, I haven't been to SeaWorld in a hot minute. So since this is gonna be my new home park, I might as well enjoy it, But yeah, there's pipeline. Not sure what I'm gonna do first, but yep, SeaWorld. So I'll catch you guys inside of SeaWorld.
2 very boring minutes later.
Alright, I'm here with Maverick.
All hail, the tourists are going back to the airport. There's nobody to Epcot. All hail Epcot. All hail.
And we are at SeaWorld, and I am excited. I will be hitting my 200th today. And, for a person who's been here, I've been actually here more. Wait, this is the second most visited park I've ever been to.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
And you don't even live here?
Yeah, I don't even live here. But somehow, I think I've been here over maybe 10 times? 10 times? And I don't even live here. But yeah, I want to do whatever. So I'll catch you guys whenever I do something. But there's Penguin Track, and it's open. So me and Maverick are about to ride it.
You what?
Hey yo, what the fuck?
And yeah, let's go ahead and this is gonna be my 200th. So let's go. I just did Penguin Track, and it was great. I enjoyed it. What was your thoughts on it, Maverick, since you ran it a bunch of times?
I think it's actually just a really fun themed ride. I would say it's more something along, as crazy as it sounds, more like Rise of Resistance in a way where it's an experience more than just the ride. Like the queue has theming, you get on the ride, and then you enter into the Penguin exhibit coming off of it. I think it's just like a whole package kind of deal.
Yeah, it is. I definitely enjoy it. It's definitely on the lines of, it's kind of like Grateful, like Big Bear Mountain, kind of. That's the only thing I can really compare it to. But yeah, I liked it. But we're doing Kraken. The crack. Crack. We're doing crack. Because I like crack. Anyways, crack it.
Huh? What? Oh. Okay.
Alright, we just got off Mako, and it was... Kraken. We got off Kraken, and it was fun. Every time I ride it, it's like Scorcher, but just like Scorcher. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna go to Mako, and yay! And we're gonna do ice or whatever. But yay! Any final thoughts?
I like Kraken. I think it's good.
Yeah, I like crack too. Me too. You know, especially if it's yeah, you know what?
Get you through the day.
Yeah. Okay, anyway, I'm stopping it before I get fucking demonetized. Alright, we just got off Mako, and how was that?
That was surprisingly good for how cold it was.
Yeah, it was, see, it was looking like it was gonna run really slow, but it was actually pretty good. It was pretty
Back the fuck up, I knock the fuck out you.
good. But, yeah. On to the next thing. I think we should do icebreaker and then get the
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
And the food, right?
Yeah. But let's go get some, let's go to icebreaker and get food. So, all hail.
All hail?
So, I got the shrimp and grits in the sampler that Maverick thankfully provided. And this looks so good. Like, so good. You know what I mean? So good.
I'm blanking.
I understand.
This is a bad time to blank.
But for the festival, which, when did this start again? Like yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday.
Yeah, it started yesterday. So hopefully, this looks good. So we're gonna rate it at the end of my taste test.
A few minutes later.
So from the judge of it, it was absolutely amazing. Like, probably the best thing I had at a theme park. And I'm not really the biggest foodie. And
I am.
Yeah, he is.
I love all the food here.
Because I know I definitely want to do a lot of the festivals, especially the art
Festival of Art.
of Arts at Epcot. And this is the Seven Seas Food Festival. So definitely want to try the other ones, that, especially because don't Universal has one?
Yeah, they got Mardi Gras going on.
Mardi Gras. So I know I definitely want to try theirs. But also we found out that Icebreaker is not even open today. But you know what? We have next time. So you know what's the best option?
Pipeline?
Pipeline. Let's go put some pipelines in Alaska.
I love getting piped.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
That one made it.
Certified freak.
Much later.
Hey y'all, so I just got off Manta. Maverick just left and I got a backward ride on Manta and it was fantastic. I haven't ridden Manta since like 21 and it was running super good. So this left Maverick just now. I might end up doing maybe CRAken again or something. There are the pink chickens, but I may do CRAken again because I still got some time here, and maybe do Penguin Trek again since, you know, why not? But yeah, I will talk to you guys once I figure out what else I'm gonna do. Hey y'all, so I just got off training track. It broke down, and then I got in row 8. I met Caleb, and so fun. Way smoother. Now I'm about to ride Kraken. It stayed at 15 minutes, but it's probably just a walk on. So yeah, super excited. Nightride on Kraken. So let's get it. So I just got a back row ride. I got a whole row to myself on Kraken, and it's so good. Like, it's like a way rougher version of Scorcher, but it was more intense. That is going way higher in my rankings. This is definitely one of my favorite B&Ms, but I can't wait to compare it to Hulk, which I obviously, but I haven't ridden Hulk in a while, so tomorrow we will judge on that. But I think I might head over to Pipeline, and then I might just leave, because tomorrow I got another long day, so I don't want to tire myself out like I already am today. But yeah. But overall, today's been really fun so far. Not so far, you know, coming back here and we catch Kraken. There it is. Yeah, but today's been really fun. Still can't believe I'm gonna be here. It's not just gonna be. But yeah, guys, I will talk to you once I am over by Pipeline.
Tú me perteneces, ven conmigo, mija. Tú me perteneces, ven conmigo, mija.
Hey, so I was able to snatch a ride on Pipeline and second to the back, and yeah, it's top 15, right? Top 15. I was trying to head my way to the front, but I forgot SeaWorld's pathways are so confusing. So I'm back at Penguin Track. I'm not gonna ride it again, but yeah.